I am welcoming you all to Sadhananaveen'ss Science Academy. In the lesson Life Process, today in this class we will discuss about lesson Excretion. We discuss about excretion. You know difference between excretion and egestion? Egestion is removal of solid material from the body. Egestion is a removal of solid material from the body. Excretion is a removal of waste from the body in the form of urine and sweat. Remember, what is excretion? It is a process of removal of waste from the body in the form of urine and sweat. Urine and sweat are the excretory material. Fecal matter is a egetory material. You should know the difference between egestion and excretion. I think clear. Egestion is a removal of solid waste. Excretion is a removal of waste in the form of urine and sweat. Excretion takes place with the help of kidney. Kidney is a filtering unit of a blood. Where does blood filters? In the kidney. Kidney filters the blood. Remember, kidney filters the blood. How many kidneys we have? Two kidney we have. How many? We have two kidneys. It is bean shaped. What shape it is? Bean shaped. How many kidneys we have? Two kidneys we have. It is bean shaped. From the kidney there is a one tube called ureter. There is a one tube called ureter. Ureter connects to a balloon-like structure, bladder. It is ureter. It is urinary bladder. Next, there is a small opening called urethra. It is a excretory system diagram, very important. It connects to the veins and arteries. This is very important diagram in the point of exam. How many kidneys we have? Two kidneys. The two kidneys are located just below the lungs. Kidneys are connected to the urinary bladder by means of a ureter. Ureter is a tube which connects kidney to bladder. Bladder is a small balloon-like structure which fills urine. And small opening called urethra. Through that urethra we excrete. So blood filters in the kidney. Blood filters in the kidney. This is our excretory system. Is it clear? What is excretion clear? What is it? Pictures, components of excretory system, diagram of excretory system. Now how does blood filters? In three stages, in three steps. Blood filters in three steps. First one, glomerular filtration. Glomerular filtration. Remember, first step is glomerular filtration. In the nephron, we had a cup-shaped structure. It is called nephron. Nephron is a structural and functional unit of the kidney. One more question. What is nephron? Nephron is a structural and functional unit of the kidney. In the kidney, millions of nephrons are there. Kidneys are made up of nephrons. Hence it is called structural and functional unit of the kidney. What is nephron? Structural and functional unit of the kidney. Nephron has a C-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. It has a bunch of blood capillaries. It has a bunch of blood capillaries. First, blood filters in the Bowman's capsule. That is called glomerular filtration. Blood rushes into the Bowman's capsule and blood filters here, and waste will be filters and enters into the tubes. Now all the waste material in the blood, excess of sugar, excess of salt, excess of sweet, excess of medicine, excess whatever in our body enters into the filtrates. Now blood free from all the waste material. Now blood filtrate moves in the convolution tubules. It moves in the convolution tubules. This is the first step. Glomerular filtration understood now? In the glomerular filtration, blood rushes into the Bowman's capsule. In the Bowman's capsule, blood filters. It removes excess of water, excess of salt, excess of sugar, excess of waste material into the filtrates. Now filtrates enters into the tubes. Second step is selective reabsorption. Selective reabsorption. Now our body says there is a deficiency of water. Deficiency of the water. Then the blood capillaries start absorbing the water. Selective reabsorption. What body selects? Reabsorb. And says sodium is less, so it start absorbing sodium. Calcium is less, start absorbing calcium. Whatever requires in the filtrate, again body reabsorb through a blood capillaries in the second stage. That is selective reabsorption. Is it clear? In the first step, all the blood rushes into the Bowman's capsule and get filtered. Filters moved into the tube. In the second step, selective reabsorption. Whichever the material needed, it was reabsorbed by a body through a blood capillaries from the filtrate. That's it. Third step is addition of waste, unwanted material. Waste, unwanted material into the filtrate. Now excess of material, again there are excess of material, so it was dumped here. In the third step, it was dumped into the filtrate. Unwanted material, again it was added into the bloodstream. These two processes takes place by osmosis. By a simple osmosis process, blood takes the wanted material and unwanted material, again it is added into the filtrate. Three stages: glomerular filtration, selective reabsorption, and addition of waste into the filtrate. Now here in the end stage, yellow color, pale yellow color liquid is called urine. Pale yellow liquid is called urine. We excrete urea. We excrete urea in the form of urine. Aquatic animal, water animal, excrete ammonia. Water animal excrete ammonia, like fishes, frog, whoever lives in the water, they excrete ammonia. Birds excrete uric acid. We excrete urea. Aquatic animal excrete ammonia. Birds excrete uric acid. Is it clear? Any doubt? Now the waste is collected in the urethra and later it is sent out through the urinary organ called penis, vagina. That's it about excretory system. If kidney fails, how we come to know that? If kidney fails, blood comes in the urine. First step. Next, urine color may turns into dark yellow, greenish yellow, very dangerous. Sometimes reddish yellow. These are all indications of the kidney failure. Pains in the lower back. And if you find it, please go to the doctor. If both the kidneys fails, then we will go to dialysis. What is dialysis? It is the artificial filtering of the blood. Artificial filtering of the blood by using a machine called dialyzer. How to prevent our kidney failure? Don't intake excess of drug. Don't go for excess of alcohol. Don't go for poison. And drink more water. And keep your healthy kidneys. And keep your kidneys smooth, soft and smart by drinking enormous water. Is it clear? Do the plant excrete? Do the plant excrete? Yes, plant also excrete. Do you believe it? Do plant excrete? Yes, plant also excrete in the form of a gum. In the form of a gum. In the form of a leaves. In the form of a bark. You know that most of the plants shed their leaf. Most of the plants shed their leaf. In that leaf, plants fills the unwanted material. Most of the plants shed their bark. In that bark, plants excrete the waste material. Some of the plants releases gum, resins, milk type of substances. Through that, they excrete. Yes, plants also excrete like animals, but there is no organ. Plants excrete through the leaves, through the gums, through the resins, through the excreted materials. These are all about excretion in animals, excretion in plants. Do aquatic animal excrete? Yes. Aquatic animal also excrete. There is a special structure through excrete ammonia. Aquatic animal excrete ammonia, and birds excrete uric acid. That's all about excretion process. If you like this class, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.